Unit 1, Family and Friends. Lesson 3, Part 1, 2, 3. Duration, period 35 minutes. I objectives. 1. Knowledge. Listening skills, an email to talk about your friend's family. Writing skills, write about your best friend. 2. Competences. English competences. To review some adjectives describing people and adverbs of manners. To practice listening and writing skills of the topic family or friends. Common competences students can describe their friends or family. 3. Qualities. Students will make their friendships deeper. Be confident and active in communication with friends and teachers. 2. Equipment and materials. Basic things, students' book, flashcards, puppets. Advanced things, PPT, laptop, TV. 3. Lesson procedure. Activity 1, warm-up. Activity 2, presentation. Activity 3, practice. Activity 4, production. Activity 5, wrap-up and assessment. Activity 1, warm-up, 5 minutes. Teacher's activities aims, welcome students, and engage the class with a game. Put the adjectives and adverbs into suitable baskets. Warm up the atmosphere of the class. Procedure. Greet students. Divide the class into 4 teams. Have students put each word into one of 2 baskets, adjective basket and adverb basket. Give a star for a correct answer. Students' activities. Greet teacher. Choose a team name. Join the activity. Get a star. Activity 2, presentation, 7 minutes. Teacher's activities aims, students know how to use adjectives to describe a person, shape, complexion, hair. Procedure. Show a few words that describe the appearance of people, long, dark, curly, short, fair, straight. Mini game, look and say to review the words. Hidden picture. Give stars to the student who has a correct answer. Activity 3, practice, 11 minutes. Teacher's activities aims, practice listening and develop the question judgment ability for students. Procedure. Task 1, look and say. Are they friends? What do they look like? Tell students to look at the small photos on page 10, task 1. Elicit what they can see in these photos. Read aloud the word underneath each photo and have students repeat it. Ask students to observe the big photo and elicit the answers, encouraging them to describe the 2 boys using descriptors, dark, fair, long, short, curly, straight. Are they friends? Where are they? What do they look like? Are they happy? Answers may vary. Task 2, listen and check. Then tick T for true or F for false. TR, 1.7. Read aloud the statements about Errol and his friends. Explain meanings if necessary. Play the recording. Tell students to listen carefully and decide if sentences are true or false. Play the recording again. Pause after each sentence. Check answers as a class. Students' activities. Look at the picture and describe the picture. Listen and tick true or false. Volunteers to read out their answers. Activity 4, production, 7 minutes. Teacher's activities aims, practice writing and presentation skills in front of a crowd. Procedure. Task 3, write and say. Tell students to look at the sample. Read the example out loud and ask students to repeat. Discuss key elements, name, age, place of origin, and details about their best friend's appearance. Instruct students to write their paragraphs about their best friends using the template provided. Check students understand the task. Allow enough time to complete it. Encourage creativity and originality in descriptions. Have students pair up and share their descriptions. Encourage partners to provide feedback and ask questions. Ask volunteers to share with the class. Discuss common themes or interesting details. Write mistakes on the board and ask students to correct them. Students' activities. Read the sample and think about the best friend to write. Pair up and share their descriptions. Volunteers to share in front of the class. Activity 5, Wrap Up and Assessment, 5 minutes. Teacher's activities aims. Check students' understanding. Help them rehearse what they have learned. Procedure. Ask students to do the assessment, look and choose. Check with the class. Wrap up. Remember. New words: curly, straight, long, short, fair, dark. Writing and talking about a best friend. Students' activities. Do the assessment. Check with the teacher. Read the wrap-up. Stand up and say goodbye to the teacher.